Also guys, for today's video I will show you how you go take sew hausa cap or malam cap. I no know wetin dey call this cap, but all this above cap na wey dey buy, but you go use that showcase to take sew am. So if you go like learn something like this, make sure say you follow me to the end of this video. So if you dey see our video for the first time, make sure say you subscribe, then give us a thumbs up so that they will show this video to many people. So make sure say you follow to the end, then learn this style step by step. Let's start. So to be first thing we will need now our thick stay, then we need our collar stay. So now we go use for the cap. So the measurement we go use, I don already cut everything when I need here. So na my thick stay be this. So this thick stay now will be two pieces. So now two of these thick stay we will use. So this measurement wey I use for this my height now 3.5. So if you make am 4 inches, it depend on the how you wan make the height dey. So after you cut the thick stay like 2, then we use collar stay, just one collar stay, and you go just cut the collar stay 1. So my measurement wey I wan use na 20.5. na be the measurement wey I wan use. So wetin I dey get, I just add 1 inch to that 20.5 when I need, that is making it 21.5. So now 21.5 go work with. So that is it. That one go stand for sewing allowance. So the first thing I will say, so now this is okay we use. So the first thing we go gum this thick stay for the down. We go gum am for the down here, then followed by the collar stay. After the collar stay, then you use the last thick stay cover the collar stay. So it will be 3 of them like that. So you go make am dey thick, so you no go fold. So the first thing we go do here now, I to just measure our 1 inch from this side. So now be the space allowance so we go leave before we start the gumming. So if you just go am straight, or if you check am like that manually. So I will start the gumming here. So leave this space now for the turning of the lining or the anything we want use. And so make I just gum this part. So after we don gum am like this finish, now this go look. So the next thing we go do here now to just go swam. Go swam line, it depend on the gap we make him be. Just swam straight, and if I swam finish, I will come back and then the next thing we do. So after we don swam like this, now this everybody will do something like this when I do. Just go do straight line. But if you decide not to swam, if you gum am, make sure this the stay wey you use strong and you get gum well. This one wey I use not to get gum, that's why I decided to swam. So after we do that finish, the next thing we go do here now, I to use our lining. And lining I go use turn this part, but before I go use lining, then remember I say this space where I do na just 1 inch. So this one now I wan cut now. Now the place wey go dey where I go take cut, where I go dey turn the lining inside. If you just leave any space where you like, you know this one no get measurement. If you leave any space where you like. So wetin I go do now is I will just measure wetin dey here, then 5 inches. Then the length, wetin give me total, give me 22. So I will cut 22 of line to come out.
If you find this video very helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, then you subscribe if you never subscribe.
Get small space like half inch, now you take join the line. So now there you want to turn and go inside. Same like this. So make I go on my straight line now, so I'll come back. So after I do use the lining, I sew the lining first, then I come swam on top. I stop stitch the up so that this material will loose from here. So after that, now the next thing we go do now to just check our the head measurement. So the head measurement are 20.5. So if you get on like this, so to divide our 20.5 into 2. So 20 and I give us 10.2. That 10.2 now you go mark on this side now. So after we don't join and finish like this, after I don't sew the head finish, make sure say you confirm your head measurement well, because by the time I go with my machine, I notice say this if I swam from this side, I go too big. That's why I come back small. So after doing that, if you don't reach this edge, if you join am straight here no go dey straight, it will come out small from this part. So the next thing we go do now to just turn am. Sorry, we just open am first before we turn the cap. So after we turn am like this, after we open am finish like this, and the next thing na to just turn am go inside. say space dey inside. No cut this space now together with this middle with the same thing no go make sense to turn like this. See my own dey easy to turn. See am. So if you turn am inside, e go dey very simple. So dat e no go too much.
If you find this video very helpful, make sure you give us thumbs up, then you subscribe if you never subscribe. Yeah, also drop your opinion in the comment section, or if you have any question, if you drop the question for comment section.
So if you do am like this now, na two type. If you do am make e dey straight like this, but make you do am make e dey round. But I go do this one make e dey round. So as I wan use this cover now, this measurement no go reach, so I need to join this into so that before I go fit do am the way I want. So after I don join am like this finish, then I don open am. I don open the inside. So the next one we go do here na to just mark our head. So na to just mark the head. So why I wan make the just trim the head. But if you dey cut am, just give small space inside. No cut exactly the place where you mark. Just small. May no go too big again. But wetin we go use now, no go use the hard one, we go use the soft one, normal one. So we use normal one to gum the cover. Looking for that new thread, got you covered head to toe. Amytex is the name, it's the only way to go. Got the best cloth on the market. Fresh, well finished with a oh, this will be cover. So wetin be the first thing we go do? Go check the joining part. So na the joining side be this. Na joining side we go use now. And then you go start from. If you make am dey one side, make am dey side so that e no go show obviously say joining dey there. So after we don do the head finish, the next thing na to just turn am. We weave am like this, then turn am. So if you turn am like this, e go look. So for us to iron am well, you put your cloth under this part, then put your iron. See where the iron. Got you covered head to toe. Amytex is the name, it's the only way to go. Got the best cloth on the market. Fresh, well finished with a perfect. So go do like this. So they will go inside. Then you will come out for the one side will go inside, one side will go up. So and do this. You see the thing dey round, no fold, no go fold. You see.